Hello, my name is Robin and this is my best friend Cleone, and come along with us as we change our air filters on her 2012 Nissan Maxima and my 2003 GMC Yukon. Let's go! So Cleone took her Nissan to the shop and they recommended that she change her engine cabin air filter, and they quoted her like 95 Canadian dollars before tax. We were talking about it. We decided we were going to do it ourselves. I've never changed an engine air filter. She's never changed an engine air filter. So come with us for a beginner's tutorial from finding the right product for your car, going to the store to find your project, and actually doing the work. Found that the general steps to replace an engine air filter are to first pop the hood of your car and locate where the filter is. It's typically on the driver's side near the front. In a large plastic box connected to an intake tube. Sometimes has a hose clamp around it or some screws, so you will likely need some tools. For the exact location and tools you need, you can check your owner's manual in your car. Once you find the location of the filter, you can open the filter housing. It'll likely have a rectangular plastic cover with some clips or screws. Once you take this off, you should be able to see the filter. We want to pull out the existing filter. We want to pull it straight out, and as you're pulling it out, make a notice of how it's sitting so you can make sure to put it back in exactly as you found it. And you might want to make it clean a bit before you put it in. If you haven't changed your car filter in a long time, it might be kind of dusty. So with us we have a Swiffer duster and a handheld vacuum to prepare for that. And then we'll take out our new filter and put it in the exact same way we took the old one out. And we want to make sure it's sitting flat and the rubber seals are connected all the way around, so it's nice and tight. And we'll just reverse the steps from the beginning, putting the cover on, screwing it back together, and put the hood down, and you should be good to go. So before we get started, the first step is to actually go pick up our new air filter. Please enjoy this clip of us in Canadian Tire. Now that we have our filters, let's get started. We're going to learn a new skill, increase our confidence in car repairs, and see how much money we can save. Okay, here we go. So the first step, like I said before, is to locate where our filter is. On the 2003 GMC Yukon, it is on the passenger side near the front, and it's held together by Phillips head screws, or there's also these long flathead screws as well as a hose clamp. So I'm going to get started at taking those off. For the reveal. Whoa. Actually not as dirty as I was expecting for never having changed this ever before. So this is the one that was in my car originally. You can see it's a bit dirty there, dirty on the sides, and it came out sitting directly like this. And this is our new one. Nice and clean. It's a lot firmer than the other one. And we're gonna put it back in. Now that we've got it all cleaned out, time to put our new filter back in. Now we've got it in, I'm going to make sure that the sides are sealed all the way around. Looks good to me. And we're just going to reverse our steps to line up the top and screw the screws back down. the 2003 GMC Yukon onto the 2012 Nissan Maxima. Now Cleone's going to give it a go on her Nissan. So for the Nissan, locating the air filter, yep, she's got it. This one is on the driver's side, and it is right here in the back. So this one's a little different than the Yukon. It's got these two flaps, and then we're likely going to have to undo this hose clamp as well, which is another flathead screwdriver. And time for her air filter reveal.
Ooh.
Ooh. Dirty.
Ooh.
So that's Cleone's old air filter, and this is the new air filter. Going back in. And now we're done both of them, just like that. And I just wanted to go over some of the finances. So, for the cost savings, the shop that quoted Cleone to change her air filter said it would be $57.65 Canadian dollars for the part and $39 for the labor, totaling at $96.65. The filter we picked up for her car was around $29. And the process took us, including going to Canadian Tire to pick up the part, coming back here, getting it all done, maybe 30 minutes. Valuing our time at $25 an hour, that's about $12.50 for a total of $35 Canadian. And more importantly, from the cost savings, we learned a new skill, we increased our confidence in DIY, especially within car repair, and we made memories with each other. See you next time in our next video where we change the air filter, the cabin air filter in the Nissan 2012 Maxima. Ooh.